Hi Tutor LMS users, welcome to our channel. Many customers asked us if there is any way to edit course and lesson in bulk. So, we thought to create a video to show how easy it is to edit the courses on Tutor LMS by just importing a CSV. You guessed it right. Our Tutor LMS Course Importer plugin has the ability to edit courses just by using the CSV template. Our Tutor LMS Course Importer plugin has the ability to edit courses just by using the CSV template. So, here are the steps. First, download CSV template from Tutor LMS Course Importer settings page. To update course data, you must fill the course title as it is existing on your website. If admin fill existing course title on the template, it will update many fields like course description, categories, tags, excerpts, feature image, level, course video, benefits of this course, requirements/instructions, targeted audience, and material includes data for course data. If admin fill existing course title and topic title, it will update topic summary and topic order. If admin fill existing course title, topic title, and lesson title, it will update lesson description, featured image, video source, video URL, video poster, and attachments. So, whatever you want to change, fill those fields. But one file will always be common: the course title as it is existing on your website. Save the modified CSV file once you've made the changes. Log into your Tutor LMS enabled WordPress website as an administrator and go to Import Courses menu. Upload your CSV file from the Tutor LMS Course Importer settings page. That's it, you have successfully updated course data. Let's see from the course editor. You can see imported data successfully updated. Thank you for watching our video on Tutor LMS tutorials. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comments section below.